Hello guys. All right, another way for you to fund your Binance account, Bybit account, or buy and sell crypto here in Nigeria, that is very easy. It has been working for me despite all the dollar issue, trouble with Binance or any other Binance and Nigeria issue, whatever they are going through. But I have been buying cryptocurrency for the longest time with this platform, and it has been working for me. And the name of this platform you will get to find out in this video. All right. This video is dedicated to those on my channel who are requesting for ways to fund your Binance account. All right. If you don't want to fund your Binance account with the other video I made from Bybit, all right, you can fund your account from this one as well. All right. Now, welcome to CoinPacker. My name is Newman. In this channel, we upload videos about making money online. All right, cryptocurrency, airdrop, forex, and other ways that you can possibly make money online. All right. Now, let's dive into this video. Okay. The name of this app is called Roqqu and Raven. All right, so the two app work together. All right, so you cannot actually use Roqqu. I mean, then you cannot use Roqqu directly. Okay, but now it's possible you can fund your Roqqu app directly from your bank. And you can also fund your Roqqu account from Raven. But before, we used to fund our Raven account first. Then before, we now use the Raven account to fund our Roqqu account to buy crypto. All right. Then transfer to any exchanges that we want to transfer to. It's very simple. Okay. So you come to this app called Roqqu. In order to Roqqu is a crypto app, all right, where you can buy and sell crypto. Okay. So when you come to Roqqu, you click on deposit. So as you can see, after you just click on deposit and you enter the amount of which you want to deposit, let's add the same amount we tried to deposit just now, 200, and you click on it. All right, then you click on bank transfer. See the different option for you to fund it. Click on bank and transfer, and you click on bank transfer. You, after seeing all this, you click on agree. Then this is the account you need to make the payment to. Okay, this is the account you need to make the payment. So when you transfer your money to this what's it called, this bank account, your money will be deposited uh into the, what's it called, into your bank account. Okay, so as you can see, the bank name is Best Star Microfinance. Account name, the bank name is Best Star Microfinance. The account name is OP, you see, QP virtual account. Okay, then the back account number is this, and the narration is this. Now you must copy both the uh, bank account and the narration to fund the Raven, because you can only fund it with Raven to be on the safer side. Don't fund it directly from your bank account. Okay, don't fund it directly from your bank account. Then you come to uh uh send money. Okay, send money. Then you just click on uh, this. Okay, sorry. Now, in order for you to fund this, sorry, yeah, in order for you to fund this, you just click on deposit. You click on the amount you want to send. Then you click continue, wallet to wallet. Yeah, you're using wallet to wallet. Okay, so when you click on wallet to wallet, you click on Raven. When you click on Raven, you click on pay. So when you copy this transaction ID and copy the username of the person, you have 5 minutes to send this money. So when you copy this username, like this person, I say Musala King, Musala King. Let's copy the the narration and go and look for Musala King, then come back to make payment. So you click on send money. All right, you send to Raven user. Let's just copy the name, because to avoid trouble, make sure you copy the name. Okay, Musala King. Bam. All right, then you go back and copy the narration. Go back and copy the narration and come back. Then you enter the amount of which you are transferring, 177,200. Then you click on send from this guy. You put in the narration you copied from that place. Put the narration here. After that, then you proceed. Then you follow the next step. Now, if I click on proceed now, it will mean it's sufficient balance because I have not funded my Raven account. That is another way. Now, after sending the money to this place, you just go back to it will reflect here. Come here and say I have made payment. After saying that I've made payment, you wait for a while. All right, the money will reflect in your Roqqu wallet. Okay, now having send it money to reflect in your Roqqu wallet, what do you do next is to purchase a crypto you want to fund Binance with. All right, you can buy what's it called, uh, USDT. Okay, or yeah, you buy the USDT. When you buy the USDT, you can go to Binance to convert your USDT to Binance coin, or you can just buy the Binance coin from here. You can buy the Binance coin from here. All right, then you see that click on buy. You put in the amount you want to, but let's say you are buying 10,000 naira worth of Binance. Okay, a BNB. Then you click on uh, uh, because I don't have amount on this app, so I cannot buy. You click on the amount. After buying it, then you just come back. It will show on your wallet. Then you come to this place and say send. You want to send the Binance coin to your Binance account. You just click on send. You put in your Binance wallet address, and put in the wallet address here. Put in the network of the what's it called, and then to take you to the next place to put in uh your amount you want to send, and then you transfer in like 1 to 10 minutes. You also receive it in your Binance account. So is that simple? Okay, so please, if you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing to this channel. Turn on the notification bell to always get updated whenever we upload new videos.